This is Nancy from Small Appliances, and today we're going to talk about how to select water or ice or crushed ice from your LG refrigerator. This is the one that has like a flat front like this and a little door opener for just the top right section, and has an ice maker on the left hand side. And I probably need a glass, but let's do this. If you look here, it's got a picture of water. And then on this side it has ice, and over here crushed ice. But if you try to push these buttons here, nothing happens. You actually have to click this one here in order to select the different kinds. So only press the middle. So here it's at water, there it's at crushed ice, ice cubes, and the other side is crushed ice. And then we're back to the middle with water. Take one for the Gipper. All right, that's all I have to share with you today. That's how you change your selection. And thank you for watching.